There are new concerns tonight from immigration attorneys that thousands of vulnerable immigrant children they represent could face deportations without lawyers to represent them in court. Today, Illinois' members of Congress toured a shelter that houses these children. NBC5's Rose Schmidt explains their concerns tonight.
These kids have been abused, they've been neglected, they've been abandoned.
U.S. Senator Dick Durbin says his visit with unaccompanied minors is one he'll remember for a long time. He and Congressman Bill Foster toured a federal shelter that houses about 20 children who fled bad situations in their home countries. Their attorney, Laura Smith, says recent DOJ policy changes leave the children at risk of deportation, even though she believes they qualify for a special protection and a pathway to citizenship.
The children walk into court thinking ICE is going to take me right now, and they walk into fear, and they're doing that every 14 to 21 days now because of the policy changes of this administration.
Smith believes the risks of being removed are even more now because the federal contract providing children across the country with legal representation expires Friday.
The practical implication is children will then go to court without an attorney. 5-year-olds, 6-year-olds, 10-year-olds. They don't understand the immigration process. Many of the general public don't understand the immigration process because it is extremely complicated, and it's even more complicated for unaccompanied minors.
The Children's Legal Center, which represents children in Illinois and Indiana, says it hasn't received payments from the federal government since December. Smith and other immigration attorneys allege the Trump administration is withholding payments until they turn over what they describe as sensitive information about these children. The Federal Office of Refugee Resettlement told us it's fully compliant with legal obligations and said it offered to extend the contract if the organizations provide data on their clients.
I would lose my license if I disclose the information that they're asking for.
According to Smith, recently at least 2 unaccompanied children in the Chicago area were ordered removed from this country. Those orders are being appealed.
And the child that was ordered removed just 2 weeks ago, just full crying after the immigration court hearing, complete devastation. And it is horrible that we are doing this to children.
Rose Schmidt, NBC5 investigates.
And a note on this, we did also reach out to Homeland Security and the Department of Justice to ask about the recent policy changes. We have not yet heard back tonight.